Welcome to Breeze Hill, a conservation neighborhood nestled in the heart of Goochland County. Spanning over 600 acres, 300 of which is held in conservation, Breeze Hill offers 2-acre home sites for clients to build. James River Custom Homes is proud to be a builder in this community and has multiple opportunities in the last remaining section. Clients can pick from a variety of our tried and true floor plans or start from scratch to create the homes of their dreams. Interior and exteriors handcrafted from floor to ceiling, James River allows their clients a true custom experience in working directly with the builder, Tommy Towers. Paired with the Yeatman Group's design team, together we help our clients design the entire home from start to finish. Whether it be a home handcrafted by our design team built ready for your family or building from scratch, James River is truly building Central Virginia's legacy one home at a time. Contact the Yeatman Group at 804 New Home for more information.